How about po yung ating energy supply, Secretary? Yung kuryente, kamusta po?
Ang energy supply, you mean kung affected ng diesel?
Kung affected po ba yung ating supply or are we okay pagdating po sa kuryente?
Kasi ano naman tayo coal, renewable, malampaya, diesel sobrang liit lang yan, nasa islands lang yan. And then we have LNG. So those are still sufficient pa naman yung mga supply ng fuel ng ibang power plants natin. Yung sa diesel naman, hindi naman nagkukulang yung supply natin sa diesel kasi enough naman yung kabilang na yan dyan sa calculation natin. So we're still good up to 50 days kasi in total.
Okay. Sige po. Secretary, baka po meron lang po kayong additional message gusto nyo pong ipaalam sa ating viewers?
Thank you po. Thank you for inviting me to for tonight. No? Pero paalala lang po sa lahat, let's all work together. Ambag-ambag lang po to. Let's all help each other. Let's try to save on energy and electricity po.